what's up? Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. So I haven't been vlogging for a few days now. And I kind of going through a little phase right now, where I'm trying to work on the mini clips. I'm trying to get some vlogs and stuff done. Sorry about that. But yeah, so I need to do some more vlogging and things like that. I need to get some more. You like it?
What are you videoing your whole life?
Not really. Just vlogs, just general stuff. So, I'm gonna take the stairs, got the elevator full up. But yeah, plus, thanks very much. Yeah, so that's going through a few stuff. I'm alright still, don't worry people. I'm good and thing. It's just a phase I'm gonna go through right now. But I still have one in mind, I still have the mini clips then. The last mini clip, people seem to really like that one. I want to do more, have collabs to do. I need some help with the collabs. So if anybody interested, you can reach out to me and let me know if you don't want to be in one of the collabs. So spice up things. I like to get involved. I like to get involved and stuff like that. So that can work. So just let me know if you're interested in that. Sorry. Let me know if you're interested in doing that. So I put in front of the people. I'm not no manners, Yeah. But I don't know. I'm gonna go up the road right now. Go drop off my tennis racket because my tennis racket on string. Is it the man I iPad with him in skate? Wanna skate and thing. I like the scooter. Like the new ones that come out. Yeah, those are nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna go up there now. Go drop off my tennis racket. I get it string. Once we get string and thing like that. Now I'm playing a tennis though. But yeah, sort out some stuff. But I don't know. Some people wonder why, I'm always stationary. It's not really that I'm stationary or anything like that. It's just the fact that I don't really have much friends here. Let me keep it. I don't really have much friends here. So I don't really go out much and things like that. So that's one of the reasons why I don't see a lot of people around me and stuff like that. But I hope you don't mind. I hope you enjoy it, see me even though I don't have a bag of friends. I still can't make one laugh. So nobody go on like say, me have people around me for make one laugh. And I know I'm funny already, look. That sounds weird, but you know me a joker. You see me, cause when I deal with the stand up under that tree a little. When I deal with the funny thing, right? So yeah. When I don't know that thing to go. When I deal with the funny thing. But I have a little thing I want to talk about still the whole I think election thing are going at Jamaica, because someone need to wise up, and wise up on yourself and know certain things and know and do cause I don't know. But yeah. But yeah. I go roll out of the place now. I drop off racket and then me head home and thing like that. So come back people. Hey peeps, yeah. So not beat my bad. I just reached tennis and thing. Some racket string them. 2 racket them, the Dunlop. I think I was showing this. I'm gonna come out of the sun. Dunlop 400 Pro. And my Kirschbaum strings. So these are the strings that I use. They're really durable, them last long. I use these to play. So the max power 225. So the grey strings, the Kirschbaums. So those are the ones I use. So I go get this. I get them here sorted out and thing like that. Yeah. So the tennis really really nice. Even tennis court, nice. Have a little nice little area right to see some and thing. Yeah? Yeah man, they're in there for a while, you know. They're in there for a while now. About 4 months I had them in.
Yeah, Dunlop, I hear you, Dunlop.
Yeah, Dunlop, 400 turn and the Kirschbaum. Velasquez. Can't take out Velasquez.
It's alright.
I buy them. Last year I buy them.
Eh?
I buy a pair of them, yeah. And them play good, man, and I really like them.
Yeah, so nice. I have an old Dunlop on the yard.
With the white. Yes, which one they have first? But they have the 200. They have the Dunlop. My friend, one of my friend Andre gave me the Dunlop 200. So I was using it and I like it.
Yeah.
And then I said, alright, then I need to get back a Dunlop. So I get the 400.
Yeah.
And I just like it. Play really well. Power. Good with serving, good for the server as well.
Yeah.
So that's how I use that.
When you went to Jamaica, you used to play in the tournament?
Yeah, man, we used to play couple tournaments. So, junior tournaments.
Junior
But
tournament?
I never played any of the senior tournaments.
Yeah, the junior. When you were young, which school you used to go?
Norman Manley.
Norman Manley. Oh, yeah, Norman Manley. Them taught them school in the high school, though, right?
Yeah, man. It was back then. It was what do you call it, man?
Norman Manley secondary school.
Yeah, secondary. Yeah, they turned high school. Long time I turned to high school. Still,
Yeah.
And played tennis. Yes, I just reach home. I'm not reach home yet, but I hungry. Oh, I try to be behind me. I'm peep out first. I'm peep out, you know. I'm peep out. You see, this nobody will come. Cause somebody almost running at me. What do you? Oh yeah, hungry people. Can you believe that? My boy hungry. Mark hungry. I'm always hungry. But yeah, people, I just reach home. I have some Sunday, Monday. Stew peas grandma cook. So I'm gonna mash that up with some brown rice. I'm gonna cook up and add that to it. You understand? Because straight brown rice, I say no. No white rice around here. Fire upon a white rice. I'm not prejudiced or nothing, people. Don't believe some prejudice, but I love brown rice. So that's the reason why I represent for all the browning. So if you not eat the browning them, that doesn't sound right. You see me? But you will not eat the brown rice. Cause rice alone me consume. I not even eat meat. Fire upon the eat meat argument. Man no eat meat. None at all. You understand? Straight, what am I say? Straight of vegetarian. Even a veggie something there. That sound too right. Eh? What am I say? Alright, you know. And the parallel parking, you know, me have to try. One of the people. I try wheel it up and thing, you understand? You have to make sure say you get proper parking. That's what me learn for drive, but me have one with a little thing. Oh yeah, just reach home and thing. For like people may say I'm boring, I'm not boring. It's just a phase of boredom. You understand? Hold on there. Come on, man. Come on, man. Like this. Not even set my camera up on the car top. The camera up on the car top too tough and thing like that. But yeah, but everything good. You see, man. So I run going right now. I edit this so they can get to watch it. And it's not exciting, but I just vlog me a vlog, see me a vlog about my daily activities. So no crosses when you drop off rubbish off I something. Oh sorry, oh my god. Somebody not hear me. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, them people are them kinda nasty. Them always scare them rubbish come out the dump, right there so. And then them throw it on the ground. So them a drive with the rubbish on the back of them car. You understand? And it drop off, so that's why I said that a while ago. So excuse my language, people. I'm a decent young man. So them go pick it up. I'm a decent young man. And God fear, you understand? Very, very decent, respectful. When I realize say my vlogs them clean. Clean like my teeth. You understand? I want to keep it PG. Although sometimes you know you have to just Lego your head. You understand? You have to just Lego your head and make it function sometimes. So here are people. Just enjoy it, same way, just go and big me up same way. And everything. I always say a big shout out and I thank you very much for watching, cause me I touch a life by vlogging. If I can make somebody laugh or one person laugh each day, that's my mission. You understand? So I still feel good when people laugh, enjoy themselves, watch my vlogs. And just uplift on yourself, you know, it's good, and I feel good feeling that more bring across, as I'm telling you already from the start, the get-go. Yeah, but just like to make people laugh and feel good and educate people and things like that. So when you hear me say thank you, thank you, thank you, you just understand, so I really appreciate people actually watching, you know, my vlogs and sharing it and liking it and stuff like that. You know, perfect, far from perfect, but here what, me I do it same way and I enjoy doing it, as you can see. I'll be here laughing and things like that. I'm not like you can't stop suddenly them way away there, you know. Yeah, but you don't know. Thank you very much again. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing. People share it some more, please. I have much more coming up. Watch out for the mini clip them. Share the mini clip them, make people so go on with the J vlogs and things like that. T-shirt them still there. That 3 t-shirt me have left for sale. 3 t-shirts. So and enough, I those 3 when you can buy the 3. The whole one you can make up together and buy the 3 t-shirt. Everybody give $1 and buy the 3 t-shirt and support the thing. But again, big up on yourself. Enjoy the rest of the day, enjoy the rest of the week. And until next time, people, J Vlogs, I'm out.